Yeah.
No, instead of shower and the whole thing.
Them cap?
£30 is crazy. What the hell?
How's the food? Want to try something? Want some of the bami? You want to take one of the bami?
I only one.
Take a bami. Should well pepper, but I love peppers. Yeah. My tolerance for pepper is high.
Me too.
So I like pepper. But most people can't eat it.
I love that.
People in there, they're just looking at us
Like I thought they would have been us.
no, man, no, the food portion there is always big. One thing I know about America. Remember we used to drive to New York? The stuff without Kenny Rogers. Kenny Rogers, yeah, chicken. One thing. Oh, Matt Boyle. Oh, this boy, so young used to.
100 bucks. She's really
Yo,
pretty.
the fried dumpling is so good, yo.
Yeah?
Oh. It's rare you can eat fried dumpling by itself. It's a good idea you had to come in. First of all, it was supposed to be 10 minutes away.
You know what's good? What do you think about it? It's good. I would have just chose it because it's a lot and it's like, yeah,
This one's not sweet.
strawberry and lemonade.
You got lemonade?
No, not lemonade. Strawberry. Yeah, strawberry and lemonade.
Yeah, that's gonna be sweet. No, it's sour and natural.
I don't like it. I don't like it. Really good, you know, just a punch.
I need to cut down on food too. I need to
Much,
cut
you
down
know,
on
just to
it.
make it refreshing. Yeah, but
No, you love food. You love food.
no, but not like I don't sweet too, but not like juice like overly sweet. Like if I taste like cake, like
You gotta remember, this is America, yo. Everything is sweet. One time I went to England, go eat candy in England. You haven't, go to England, then you see how sweet it is.
You got the bars go outside the freaking right on the grill.
Steam wash.
Okay?
you know what will make it less sweet? You mix the salt and ginger ale. Offset.
Oh, yeah.
Like we just
Don't
have
put
it.
I love ginger
Huh?
ale.
It's for water, but ginger is sweet too.
The balances it out. I mean, we'll give it like that little the sparkle. Cause you know what would, you know who does the punch? You remember your mom makes the punch, and she makes the punch and she throws the ginger ale. It gives it that.
It's good.
Like, nice. Good, yo. I'm actually really full. I don't know if it took too long to eat.
Yeah, I think so. Sometimes they're going to do it, they'll probably get a soup, a small soup style, yeah. You know, I was going to buy one, I forgot.
I really want the red fish soup.
I totally forgot, yo. That's my favorite soup, the red peas soup.
Yeah?
Yeah. Red peas, then bundle peas.
Red peas. I just like soup.
Yeah. Remember when we were younger, we used to have soup every Saturday? I used to hate it. You still does it? I used to hate it, but now I'm older, I love it. Your mom was a really good cook, yeah. My mom was like the first person when I come to Canada, and her food tastes like Jamaican. Yeah, I remember that. Mom was good. Good, that's why I was putting the guy with that. I did rather than. I swear to God, one day we had back to remember my cousin Corey? So he usually comes over, so his dad brought him to Thanksgiving dinner. They're like a mouth. That's what she started back on terrible, yo. Their mouth.
I thought you said well.
The way that's crazy. But the way he's talking about
Yo, this man could clean without that toothpaste. Remember the party?
Was he there?
He was there. at the
I've
party.
never seen this
we
guy.
didn't meet him yet.
Oh,
Marshall,
okay.
I mean, Dwayne, did you see him at the party?
Did you? Oh.
He was like right beside you too. Look, remember
Really?
you and your Shanta was right there on the wall.
Yeah.
He was when you were going to the kitchen, like right there.
Yeah.
Maybe that guy. He was sitting. I know there's a lot of people sitting on that corner.
Yeah, he was there, and then he helped. Well, you probably left before we.
Oh,
came
I
out.
know you are. There's a girl that asked me to take down something, and I cut it. She asked me to cut something. We're taking.
Oh,
down.
yeah.
You were the guy I gave it to?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys.
Yeah, because he was helping take down the things.
That lady told me to cut something down, so I cut it, and then he finished it off. So I remember he was taller than me.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I remember you.
Remember the back?
Back
They had the plastic snippets and
Yeah.
cut it.
Yeah.
And then I rolled it up.
Yeah, the lady told me to cut it.
Oh, so you remember now? Yeah, 'cause that was at the end. That's how you know. Why you cheese?
That's why you can't go see man.
Enormous. I was talking to yeah, but I still just got these just pizza, McDonald's. Lucky for me, back in those days, kids used to go outside and play. They were able to burn off all that gum. Yeah, and the juice, pure juice. I remember I never even drank water. Yeah, juice, I used to have. Just looking back now, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's terrible. My dad used to tell me.
Steam bed.
Yeah.
Steam bed.
Yeah, we need some real.
Oh, this is bad, man.
This what?
People do that. Oxtail and all this fine.
You know, meat here is really big, right? People big the oxtail. Canada oxtail is really tiny.
Macaroni and veg.
I know fat has flavor though.
Yeah, that wouldn't make sense to eat another animal. You're like me. You're funny like me.
I was thinking maybe two juice.
Yeah, man.
What's your name again?
But I'm gonna get three. I'm gonna get the sour.
Yeah.
I said no, I'm gonna get the sour.
I was gonna get the pineapple ginger, but I'm like, I'm gonna go for the style.
Oh, that would be good, yo.
Pineapple ginger, yeah, it's there. You can't go wrong with ginger, because ginger helps settle your stomach, you know?
They all have a pineapple mango, she said.
Oh, I didn't see that.
That's, or one of the, that you said, either the ginger,
You know what's funny? When we ate first time when I came home, everybody was hungry. So I was like, we never had any appetite until we reached back to the house. Oh, no, you were there.
oh, when you guys ate with the thing. Oh, guess what happened? Because remember, they ate Chick-fil-A, right? Remember that was
That's what you wanted to work.
Yo,
I didn't go there.
now. You watch what we went. Boom, Chick-fil-A together. You whip.
That's the first thing we did.
The first thing you did, you ate in the whip, and then that's when we were at the gas station.
We're like some ghetto ass shit, bro.
You were in the gas station. And we
No.
were gonna come to you, but we're like, yo,
Was that
the
the gas
place was.
station?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. Terrible. Even the pancake wasn't even
I'm telling you.
syrup. How was that possible?
Masha, you would have been nice.
It was syrup.
Chick-fil-A. We had the Chick-fil-A, and then it was like 40 minutes
That's
away.
what I wanted to do.
So
Like,
we're
try
gonna-
places that's not in Canada.
It is, but
Is
they
it
don't.
there?
It is, but it's not compared. It's not
They have a
compared.
better menu here. Wow.
Better food. Obviously, it's the original.
Even Checkers, I see the commercial all the time.
I want to go to a Zaxby's.
Outback, Jackson.
I want to go to a Zaxby's.
I even
bro.
saw Golden Corral by the West
Yeah,
Mall.
Golden Curl, I ate it.
Yeah, all you can eat it.
Yo, Golden Crown is different, eh?
Dude, I didn't get in there. I just see the commercial. I want to go there. Imagine you have never been there. All you can eat. Back in Berlin, it's like hamburgers. But the vacuum.
Let me tell you, you know how I know? My dad, he used to be a truck driver, so he was back in California. And now, all that super young, you go to the stop, the little stop, and you get all you can eat, everything, bro. Like, yeah, driving for 3
clothes.
luxury items, you can't talk that. Nobody can talk that. If you have money, those three things, food, clothes, and luxury items like high-end cars and jewelry.
No. Places beat America when it comes to high-end stuff.
Where?
Like clothes and shoes and cars. Places beat America.
Where?
You see UK?
Oh yeah, actually, clothes,
UK,
yeah.
UK shoes is exclusive. You find colorways in UK you can't find nowhere.
Cool.
Yeah.
And
UK.
suits and stuff, you want suits, gotta use it.
Yeah. And then cars,
Best
obviously,
suits in the world.
you can't beat Dubai when it comes to cars. They have every car.
No, Dubai don't come there. They get their cars from other places.
I know, but I'm saying they get every car.
Yeah, true. They even have a car, mini car, like a car where the cars that go to die,
Yeah,
where the owner is them.
that's on the
Just
highway.
forget about
They
that.
leave it on the highway.
Hello? Hi.
No, we can work.
I'm good.
It's right by the Tim Hortons. Right at Finch and Alness. We face the Tim Hortons at Finch and Alness. Just type in Finch and Alness. It's Unit 1, the collection.
I just want to go to the Maggie
Yeah.
outlet. So the Maggie outlet.
Yeah. Yeah. And you go in and you're asking for Adam and tell him you're there for Michael. Okay, awesome. Okay. Awesome. You know who the hell that is. I don't know an appointment today.
Look at that. You're making money on top of money today.
Oh, yeah. Ashley. Yeah, I did know I had an appointment today. Oh, God.
So you cancel it. It's okay, you can do it.
Adam, I have a customer today. She's a lead. Her name is Asha. She's actually there. She's gonna be trading a vehicle. Huh?
You see what I'm saying? Man, like the green is missing. I done got money. I think eat it.
What, the veggies?
Yeah. You want some? You want to put some?
Yeah, veggies is not really for everybody, you know.
So happy, you know?
Yeah, I got a good meal. That's a big upscale.
No, this is chicken.
Oh,
This is oxtail.
food kind of expensive, man.
Oh, US wise. But that's cheap.
I mean, China, this is expensive. After I was so shocked.
Because that would be almost $20 a slice.
I know. China is a big, expensive item. I thought I was surprised it was a cheaper item.
You said $5 a piece. I was like,
$4.
No, the baby's always gonna be. I do it for my mom. Like, I know that's
Nice, though. Wrong, bro.
this is actually a really good dumpling. My wife makes really good dumpling too, so I'm
Yeah, I like dumplings, but not everybody can make fried dumplings. Some people, too tough.
my wife makes wicked for me.
Very nice. I meet a girl still in Jamaica. She's very good. I mean, like, I've seen her turn food that don't taste good, that we bought, and she go in the kitchen and spruce it up, and it starts taste good again. What? Yeah, so imagine you buy a food, and it never tastes good, and the person bring it back in the kitchen, and do more stuff to it, and then it starts to taste good. I have an uncle in Maxfield, he has a bar there. I was there when I was there recently, jerk work and he's a countryman, but he lived in Maxwell for like.
What are you doing, Marshall? You're recording?
Yeah. Yeah. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, real talk?
Yeah. I've always had one for like 5 years. I even forgot it was your plan.
I seen the phone, I was like, oh.
You guys are on the same page. Yes, you guys are on the same page. Always ask how he's the one who starts talking about the
Oh. Perfect, yeah.
Cool.
For the chemistry. $1 for the butterfly.
This is good. Oh shit. Okay, the strawberry lemonade really does taste good.
It's good. Yeah, I just made.
Yeah, it's a little sweet.
It just, I would have just, if I got water and so on it, like not over, like, you know, good. But it really tastes good. I'm contemplating getting some strawberry
Just for looking more. Good idea.
That's a strawberry passion and strawberry lemonade.
I like both of them still. It's less sweet though.
Can't go wrong with strawberry.
You're not eating regular.
Lemon tasty.
So good.
And I like that they didn't put no cinnamon. That's some people put like the cinnamon flavor in the bottom. I don't like that. It's very, very
Even though people do it.
yeah. Or even vanilla aftershot as well.
I would eat it. So it's really does taste good.
You have US time, right? What if I email transfer you 300 the equivalent in US? I don't know if we're going to find a bank. The whole time I'm driving, I haven't seen a single bank. Just in case, if we find one, then I don't need it.
No, but I didn't bring a lot of US with us. Not more Canadian.
Actually, no, maybe they'll just give me the exchange rate. And then I email transfer you if you don't find a machine. You know what I mean? Say I buy something and they say $100 Canadian. Yeah, $100. They'll say like, oh, 60 something US, like equivalent to 100. Yeah. Food is really good. What part of Jamaica you guys from?
Florida.
What part of Jamaica you guys from?
Where the Portmore?
Oh, yeah, El Shabi.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go there all the time.
Okay.
That's why you get your seafood taste so good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good, man. No, we buy fruit juice. No, we buy fruit juice. We know better. We know better. Yeah, good. Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah, them
No, you can't do that.
them trick.
Whoa, yeah.
All them, yeah.
Bring one around. Bring one around.
Rasta blend all them juice with one man rabbit.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, no, maybe an Irish man.
How
Yeah,
much for the
man,
Irish?
hey, moment, the box starts shit.
Not bad. That's pretty good, yeah. Give us the VIP service, mommy. Just grab two for us.
Which one? You want one Irish and one Magna?
We not no money. Yeah, I spend all my money.
The one I want two Irishmen.
Which one better? Which one better?
Two of them.
Magnum is where the real man. One. I already spent off all of my money. I gave you all my money. I'm banana money. We don't have any money.
We are going to. What we are going to?
Yeah, banana money.
But yo, you get it. Well, we are going to. What we are going with Yeah, then you have to deal with it.
Yeah. Them can't bomb.
Yeah, man, Ross blend up those juice, bro. When Ross with all the oats.
Yeah, but enjoy the Irishman himself.
Yes, the Irish man, gum and rabbit, green seed and all stuff. Yo, those Ross say, them my toast.
Yeah. That's really good, man.
Yeah, well,
Stuff like that.
I think you remember, you've seen him at the parties where he introduced him. He was in all white. You guys were the only guys.
Oh, well, he was wearing jeans.
He was wearing a jeans white.
The acid wash jeans, you know, the blue one, the blue one.
Was he against the wall, man?
Yeah, he was against the wall.
What was the guy I was talking to? Oh, yeah, Rasta?
Yeah, Rasta, man. Let me show you Rasta.
I think I did see a Rasta. He kind of light skin.
Yeah, so much. You're
yes.
All the time. I'm not going to priest.
Sorry, yeah. Babe.
I got my love. Sorry, my love.
Give muscle.
I mean, before this thing.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry, tasted.
Yeah?
No sugar. Nice.
You can buy one half a gallon dinner.
Pimento de ahí.
Carry back with you.
You put pimento in there?
Okay, no.
You taste it?
Yeah, I can't taste the pimento, so I asked.
Oh.
One more.
Strawberry lemonade.
Yeah.
Like it?
No sugar. It's natural.
My taste of pimento?
You want to taste the pimento?
No.
You're not supposed to
Oh.
taste it.
No, I don't taste it. That's why I asked. You can taste some, good.
If I get one more of this, I'm probably got this one. Probably.
Hey, them your juice, yo. Yeah, man, mashallah, them your juice, yo.
Strong, huh?
What, the soil?
Yeah.
On top of ginger in there?
Yeah. It's like burning my mouth.
So that one
In a good way. Yeah, good way.
the kind of cashew up here. The kind of cashew still there. Yeah. Now we're getting some change, you know? No, I should have brought more. I was gonna.
No, you see, you guys. No,
If I go, yeah, because I would have brought 1,000.
Yeah.
It was hard for me to taste.
How much for you? Just take the 5. Yeah, thank you very much.
She had what? She had
My mom has like maybe like 40 bands in the US.
Oh, so you're saying no, when you say you bring down
Oh, mom.
you would have got like 1,000 for yourself and all like 6 pillars. I'm not gonna. Miami Garden. You know why they make it fun? So you don't stay too long.
Where's garbage? Is no garbage? Also, what is it?
Who
Yo.